Self-confidence is a superpower. Once you start to believe in yourself, miracles start happening. Hearty greetings to one and all present with us virtually this pleasant evening. Today, we are gathered here to honor the achievements of our dear students in the post-test examination for the academic year 2020 to 2021. On behalf of the management of Velamal Bodhi Campus Kolapakam, I take immense pleasure in welcoming you all to this grand occasion. Before we begin the proceedings, let us invoke the blessings of the Almighty. We have Archana to sing the prayer song.
अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे। अच्युतं केशवं सत्यभामाधवं माधवं श्रीधरं राधिकाराधितं इन्दिरामन्दिरं चेतसा सुन्दरं देवकीनन्दनं नन्दजं सन्तते। विष्णवे जिष्णवे शङ्किनी चक्रिणी रुक्मिणी रागिणी जानकी जानकी वल्लभी वल्लभा याचितायात्मने कंसविध्वंसिनी वंशिनी ते नमः। कृष्ण गोविन्द हे राम नारायण श्रीपते वासुदेवाजिता श्रीनिते अच्युतानन्द हे माधवा दोक्षजा द्वारका नायका द्रौपदी रक्षका।
Thank you, Archana, for gracing us with your voice. Dance is an expression of the heart of a person. To watch a dance is to hear that person's heart speak. We now have the welcome dance by Deshana. Thank you, Deshana, for enthralling us with your wonderful performance. We now have Roshna Kirti to deliver the welcome address.
Greetings to one and all present here. I'm extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all at this important moment for celebrating our Jubilant Day. It is an honor for me to deliver my welcome speech for this function. Today's children are the future of our state as well as our country. Our school believes in enhancing academic qualifications along with the development of qualities like teamwork, adaptability, leadership skills, confidence, determination, respect and moral value. Let me begin by first and foremost welcoming our extremely gentle and highly dynamic personality, our chairman, Sri Muthuramalingam sir, who is a constant source of encouragement, always encouraging us to give our best in order to achieve greater heights. Next, I would like to welcome our director, MVM Sasikumar sir, and Director Academics, Srimati Geetanjali Sasikumar ma'am, for their endless commitments to this institution that have helped us reach where we are standing today. Next, we have our dear zonal head, Srimati Lavanya ma'am, who is the backbone of our school, without whose constant guidance and support, we would have not come this far during this trying and testing time of lockdown. I would also like to welcome other members of staff and my fellow students to this glorious day. Wishing you all a very pleasant day, I once again welcome you all to this program. Thank you.
Thank you, Roshna, for the sweet words of welcome. Now, I call upon Lavanya ma'am, our dear zonal head, to address the gathering.
A greeting to everyone present here. I'm Mrs. R. Lavanya, zonal head, profoundly honored to get the opportunity today to welcome the galaxy of intellects on behalf of PVC Kodapakam. Today we are all gathered on the Jubilation Day event of our institute to celebrate your success. The reason behind today's celebration is the success of Velamal for the past years, and I am grateful to everyone's contribution that played a role in bringing greatness to our institution. Our school believes in enhancing academic qualifications along with development qualities like teamwork, leadership skills, confidence, determination, and moral value. Here we view education as the development of whole child. Attention plays not just on the intellectual development but also on the pupil's physical, social, and spiritual development. As far as our school is concerned, every student is a unique individual with special gifts and talents. We hope that with motivation, encouragement, and hard work, that all our students will discover their individual talents. One of our core beliefs about the academic success is that hard work, determination, and consistent effort are the key elements in achieving success. All the above is only possible within a firm with a code of discipline. This wouldn't have possible without the contribution and guidance of our beloved chairman, Sri M.V. Muthuramalingam Velamal Educational Trust. Sir upholds the institution with utmost care and support. Thank you for being the guiding light, sir. I would like to thank Sri M.V.M. Sasikumar, Director of Velamal Educational Trust, Srimati Geetanjali Sasikumar, Director Academics, for the endless commitment to the institutions that have helped us to reach where we are standing today. Thank you for guiding and keeping our spirits high, sir and ma'am. We are and will be grateful for your contribution. We are proud of our students, and no doubt your child will become very significant person in this world. I thank our staff, students, and parents for your support and cooperation. Thank you, parents, for choosing Velamal. Thank you, Ananta.
Thank you, ma'am, for those enthusiastic and encouraging words given to our dear parents and students. Now, the moment we have all been waiting for. It is time to honor our students who have worked hard and achieved high marks in the post-test examination for the academic year 2020 to 2021.
Rank holders of Roshna Kirti 6A first rank, Santoshita 6A second rank, Shamita 6E third rank, Shivani J 6E third rank, Nikita Shri 7C first rank, Nivita Shri 7C second rank, Sai Dharni 7A second rank, Archana C 7D third rank, Pritin 8A first rank, Rahashri 8C, 2nd rank. Yakshita 8B, 3rd rank. Monica 8A, 3rd rank. Kritika 9A, 1st rank. Imayadityan 9A, 2nd rank. Rubita 9A, 3rd rank. Now moving on to subject sentence. Santoshita 6A, sentiment English. Augustin Joe 6A, sentiment Tamil. Kirtiram 6A, sentiment Tamil. Vishant 6A, sentiment Tamil. Janani C 6A, sentiment Tamil. Kamalini Suzik 6A, sentiment Tamil. Roshna Kirti 6A, sentiment Tamil. Santoshita 6A, sentiment Tamil. Ritvita 6C, sentiment Tamil. Pradeep 6D, sentiment Tamil. Sanjay Raj 6D, sentiment Tamil. Shivanandan 6D, sentiment Tamil. John 6D, sentiment Tamil. Arun RC 6E, sentiment Tamil. Shamita 6E, sentiment Tamil. Shivani 6E, sentiment Tamil. Advait Das 6A, sentiment max. Sachin 6A, sentiment max. Krishna Kumar 6A, sentiment max. Janani 6A, sentiment max. Roshna Kirti 6A, sentiment max. Santoshita 6A, sentiment max. Yuvan Jahan Mohan 6B, sentiment max. Varsha 6B, sentiment max. Ashwin 6C, sentiment max. Maunishwar 6C, sentiment max. Sanjay Raj 6D, sentiment max. Arun 6E, sentiment max. Shamita 6E, sentiment max. Shivani 6E, sentiment max. Kavilash 6E, sentiment max. Sangamitra 6A, sentiment social. Janani 6A, sentiment social. Roshna Kirti 6A, sentiment science. Saidarni 7A, sentiment English. Dakshita 7C, sentiment Tamil. Nikita Shri 7C, sentiment Tamil. Nivita Shri 7C, sentiment Tamil. Prithin 8A, sentiment English. Tarun 8A, sentiment English. Prithin 8A, sentiment Tamil. Alan Jerick 8B, sentiment Tamil. Guru Prasad 8B, sentiment Tamil. Harshita 8B, sentiment Tamil. Lakshita 8B, sentiment Tamil. Sri Balasubramanian 8C, sentiment Tamil. Kirusha 8C, sentiment Tamil. Rahashri 8C, sentiment Tamil. Tarun 8A, sentiment max. Imayadityan 9A, sentiment max. Tirumalai Subhashri 9A, sentiment max. Niveda 9B, sentiment max. 450 above. Sachin 6A with 492. Janani 6A with 491. Kavilash 6A with 490.5. Sanjay Raj 6D with 489. Sangamitra 6D with 489. Kamalani Suzik 6A with 486.5. Kritika 6A with 486. Varsha 6B with 485. John 6D with 484. Vishant 6A with 484. Gayatri Pradeep 6B with 483. Krishna Kumar 6A with 483. Jayashree 6D with 482. Shivanandan 6D with 481. Srinidhi Vijay 6E with 478. Srinidhi 6B with 476. Chenna Reddy Bhavesh 6B with 476. Tanusha 6E with 474. Harshini 6E with 474. Pranav Balaji 6E with 473. Ritvita 6C with 472. Sarah Jasper 6A with 472. Kirtivasan 6D with 471.5. Ashwin 6C with 470.5. Advait Das 6A with 469. Bavadarni 6E with 468. Anish Balan 6D with 468. Charvi Mathur 6B with 466. Naveen 6B with 466. Tejashwi 6B with 465. Jia Elizabeth 6B with 465. Tanusha 6A with 465. Pradeep 6D with 464. Niranjana 6D with 463. UN Jahan 6B with 461. Arjun 6E with 458. Mehna 6B with 457. John Jeffrey 6D with 456. Ajish 6A with 454.5. Neha Pritika 6B with 454. Maunishwar 6C with 453. Joshika Shri 6B with 453.
Anjalika 6B with 452.5. Lakshya Shri 6B with 451.5. Kirti Ram 6A with 450.5. Nitin Anand 7A with 481. Pranav Karthikeyan 7A with 480.5. Sean Franco 7D with 479. Samuel Shivakumar 7A with 477. Jai Vishwa 7A with 472.5. Tarun Roshan 7A with 472.5. Albin 7B with 472. Maunish Khanna 7C with 472. Sanjay 7B with 471. Vinosai 7B with 470. Inan 7A with 468. Kavin 7A with 465. Harjit 7E with 463. Srijan 7A with 461.5. Tarun 7C with 461.5. Neeraja 7E with 461.5. Samrutri 7B with 458. Lakshya 7A with 457.5. Ajish 7A with 456.5. Vijayan 7C with 456.5. Anushruti 7E with 456.5. Darshika 7C with 452. Varsha 7E with 452. Niharika 7A with 451. Aarti 7B with 450. Harshita 7D with 450. Harshita 8A with 484.5. Tarun 8A with 483. Kirusha 8C with 481. Midusha 8A with 479. Sai Harish 8B with 472. Tamil Cheral 8C with 470. Kritika 8C with 468. Sri Sai Dakshini 8B with 468. Varun 8A with 467. Agilan 8A with 465.5. Hemapriya 8B with 465.5. Sham Srinivasan 8A with 465. Mrinalini 8C with 464. Alexander 8A with 463. Roshna Devi 8B with 463. Adishri Anand 8A with 462.5. Nityashri 8B with 462. Shrija 8B with 460. Lehavarshini 8C with 457. Pradeepa 8A with 456. Aditya 8B with 455.5. Alan Jerick 8B with 455. Guru Prasad 8B with 454.5. Kavya 8B with 454. Mahashri Varshini 8C with 454. Srijani 8B with 452.5. Kishore Kumar 8B with 452. Akshaya 8B with 451.5. Vandana 8A with 451. Jerim Prince 8A with 450.5. Bhavna 8B with 450.5. Lakshita 8B with 450. Aditya 8C with 450. Lokranjan 8C with 450. Advait Nair 9A with 483. Purnima 9A with 481. Subhashri 9A with 479. Harshini 9A with 474. Syed 9D with 474. Ashwati 9B with 471. Pragadishwaran 9A with 470. Sambhavi 9A with 470. Nitish Kumar 9C with 469. Hemashri 9A with 468. Chriswin 9C with 467. Madhumita 9B with 466. Sudarshani 9A with 464. Saurin 9A with 463. Tarun Aditya 9A with 462. Kishore 9A with 461. Ulaganagi 9B with 458. Rohit 9A with 455. Daksha Shuganna 9C with 454. Nilesh 9A with 452. Jyotika 9A with 450. Purnisha 9B with 450. Congratulations winners.
Hearty congratulations, dear students. Continue to work hard and achieve greater heights in the coming future. We have now come to the end of this joyous occasion. We now have Alexander to deliver the vote of thanks.
A delightful day to everyone watching the great event. On behalf of all, we deem it a great honor and privilege to stand before you to propose the words of gratitude for being with us this evening and making us feel proud and honored about your love for us. I, Alexander Shiju, the student of Verma Bodhi campus, consider this occasion as an honor and privilege to extend the vote of thanks. Gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotions. So first of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Chairman, Shri M.V. Muthuramalingam Sir, for his support and blessings. Thank you, sir. I also thank our Director M.V.M. Sasikumar Sir and Director of Academics, Srimati Gitanjali Sasikumar Ma'am, for your constant guidance. Thank you, sir. Thank you, dear ma'am. We have been fortunate to be assisted by our zonal head, Srimati Lavanya Ma'am. You have been a constant support and you have given us a lot of encouragement. Thank you, ma'am. Teaching is the profession that requires all other professions. A teacher's purpose is not to create students in his own image, but to develop students who can create their own image. With deep reverence and gratitude, we would like to thank our dear teachers for making us what we are today. We place on record the contributions and the effort made by them. Thank you, teachers. Your impact on us is everlasting. We are indebted to the members of the non-teaching faculty. Undoubtedly, your contributions in the various aspects of today's event has made a difference. Thank you for your unflinching support. I thank all the parents for their presence. You always help us in carrying on such important events. The essence of the fruit is always tasted at the last, and we believe last will be the best ever. Finally, we thank the blooming buds of Verma Bodhi campus. You are the central focus of not only today's program, but every moment of your stay in the temple of learning. Learn to let go, and your hands will be free to conquer your tomorrows. Gratitude costs nothing, but it is a big investment in the future. Once again, we renew our gratitude and spread the fragrance of love. May God continue to bless all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Alexander, for those warm words of farewell. This concludes our program for today. I thank you all for joining with us and celebrating the success of our dear students virtually. Stay safe and healthy, and hope to see you all next time. Thank you all once again.